Hello everyone, and I'm glad to see you on my channel. Today, I am launching a new section where I will be a beginner trader with a small deposit, which will apply the basic trading rules, namely basic strategies and the fundamental principles of risk and money management. In order for me to adhere to these rules, a deposit of at least $50 is needed. Plus, if you register on the platform using my link in the description, you will automatically receive a 50% bonus on your deposit. Therefore, if I completed the account with $50, I receive $75 in my deposit, and with this capital, I will be trading, and you will be able to follow my journey. I suggest setting goals for this section starting from $50. The idea is that I will trade only on video, meaning you will be able to fully analyze my path. Also, if you want to trade with me, we have a closed Telegram channel that you can join absolutely for free for now. There, we provide real-time signals, conduct trading marathons, and you also gain access to a closed channel with training, where you receive courses from my paid subscriptions, my personal lessons, and much more. You will find all the detailed information on how to join by following the first link in the description below this video. I repeat, you receive all of this for free. The price will form when there are many people in the channel, as the value is constantly increasing. And yes, the people who have already joined the closed channel will continue to receive new content from the closed club. Let's make our first trades on our new account. So, I will be trading for 1 minute with an amount of $10, which is the initial amount for the first trades. Why exactly $10? Because for me, this is the most optimal amount. This means I will be able to take additional positions and achieve a good profit relative to my deposit. And by the way, we have a good situation on the GBP CAD currency pair. That is, after a sharp downward impulse, the price has reversed and is moving upward. Therefore, I switch to a smaller time frame, for example, a 15-second one. And just after a small pullback in the price downwards, I will be waiting for the price to soar upwards. So right now, I am placing $10 on an increase, and we will wait for 1 minute to see the result. During the trade, there was another small price pullback, but the price still shoots up, and we end up with a good profit, plus $18, specifically $8 net. So, let's continue our trading and find another situation. For example, on CAD JPY, the Canadian dollar, and the Japanese yen, I see a situation like this. Our situation closely resembles the previous situation that occurred before. It strongly resembles a head and shoulders pattern. This is the head, and these are the two shoulders. So now, we are going to enter a short position for 1 minute, just to catch a small price pullback down. For this, I switch to a smaller time frame, specifically 15 seconds, and I plan to enter from our local level of resistance. But the price breaks through the level, and I plan to enter right now. The price has gone up a bit, so I place the trade on the red candle. And so there are literally 5 seconds left, and we are getting a fantastic profit from trading for 1 minute. You need to quickly catch a good entry point. As we can see, I caught a good entry point and made a great profit. So let's continue our trading. As we can see on the USD currency pair, the price broke through the local support level and went back up. And our previously local support level has become a mirror level, or more precisely, a resistance level for the specific situation. I switch to a smaller time frame. We see our price maximum and will enter a short position from this same price maximum for 1 minute. We just need to wait for a good entry point. As we can see, each price peak is getting lower and lower, and the price, as can be clearly seen, cannot break through our local level, so I suggest entering right now. If needed, we can take a catch-up at a good point. I will immediately prepare a catch-up, multiplying by 2. If needed, we will take the catch-up at the upper point of our level. So the price might break our local level after all. I am taking a catch-up trade at the peak. As we can see, the first trade at a bad point also closes in profit. We are waiting for the result of our follow-up. As we can see, there are literally 5 seconds left, and the second trade at a good point for $20 closes in profit. The price shoots up at the last moment, but we managed to secure a profit, so after such a series of gains, we should stop. Otherwise, we risk losing our deposit. You can find out more about why this is the case in my video on psychology in trading, which has been on the channel for a long time and is very important for those who are just starting to trade. I definitely recommend watching. In the video, we made almost a 100% increase to our deposit, not including the bonus. By the way, when the conditions are met, the bonus can also be withdrawn. This is a very good result. If you support this section with your like and comment, the videos will be even longer and more interesting, so it all depends on you. By the way, the winner of the last $50 contest will be announced in the open Telegram channel. The first link is in the description. I recommend subscribing to receive more updates, as I appear there more often than on YouTube. Good luck to everyone and good